Self-attention is the core innovation. But it needs supporting infrastructure. Self-attention treats tokens as a set, order-invariant. Positional encoding injects position information. Sinusoidal functions at different frequencies give each position a unique signature. After attention, each token passes through a feed-forward network, a two-layer MLP. Attention is communication, tokens exchange information. The FFN is processing, each token independently transforms what it gathered. Layer normalization normalizes each token's representation. Residual connections add the input to the sublayer output. If the sublayer learns nothing, the input passes through unchanged, the gradient highway. 3 transformer flavors. Encoder, bidirectional attention, BERT, ESM. Decoder, causal attention, GPT, scGPT. Encoder-decoder, cross-attention between input and output, T5. In biology, ESM2 with 650 million parameters on 250 million proteins. scGPT on 33 million cells. Geneformer for therapeutic target ranking. AlphaFold for atomic accuracy protein folding. Self-attention, multi-head, positional encoding, feed-forward, layer norm, residuals. The architecture behind ESM, scGPT, Geneformer, and AlphaFold.